In this video, I will teach you how to customize Astra theme in WordPress. In order to do this, what we can do is we first need to head over to their website, which is wordpress.com. And then from in there, first need to click on this Get Started if you don't have an account yet, or click onto this login option if you already have an account. So just choose in here which one you are. So since I already have an account, let me click onto this login. Now this is what my dashboard looks like. So what you can do is we can head over to our appearance right here and then go over to themes. You can see in here what kind of theme you currently have. So if you do not have an Astra theme yet, what we can do is we can see in here which themes you can have. As you can see, my active theme is Tutor. Let's click onto this search and search in here for Astra. So search for it and then it should be able to show you in here this. So click on the Astra theme. Click onto this activate, and then in here you should be able to see in here the WordPress checkout. So you can get in here the WordPress business, which is actually around 11,000 pesos for the first year and then around 14,000 on the second year. You can enter in here your billing information and pick a payment method. You can choose a 2-year plan if you would want, and you can also see in here the checkout options. So in my case, let's head over and pay this. If you already paid it, you can customize it. So how do you customize it? For example, if you want, you can head over right here under the appearance is our editor. You can click on that, and then this will open the site editor of your WordPress Astra. So from in there, you can add some elements, delete some elements, and likes. So in order to customize it, you can click onto this plus icon and you can add in here some blocks for elements or patterns. If you want to edit some elements, like for example, we have in here this text, you can click on it and then edit it whichever way you like. You can also change its colors, background using this left and right sidebar from in there. Once you're done, head over and click on save right here in order to save your progress. So that's how you customize Astra theme in WordPress. Hope we helped.